What's up? What's up? We back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Da 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 da. Daggone, we made so much money today trading this market. Oh my god. We made so much money. Boom, 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 boom. Send us out live on X and YouTube. All right, let me send these links out. All right. We're gonna shake everything but the kitchen sink. Bow, 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 bow. How'd everyone trade today? We should be live on X and YouTube as well over here in the Discord. Oh, caught a nice ripper here on Apple. Took calls right down here and nice nice little squeezer right here that was setting up. We crushed that one. Someone makes $7,000 today. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Oopsies. Insane in the membrane. Oh, tough one. Oof. Ooh. Ah, it got me. Ooh. Dee-dee-dee. Currently sitting in an SPX call credit spread. Up 75%, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Pull it up. Oh, yeah. We up 75% on SPX. That's just extra cash for the day. Extra cash for the day. How you go from being up like $300 profit on the day, and then you go to like 2,000. Like, that's a good day. That's a good day. What if the chat's working? Let me know if the chat's working. If you're watching this on X or YouTube, type something in the chat. Let me know if it's working. I need to see if it will adjust. There we go. The lighting was too bright. What if I close this thing a little bit? Make it a tad bit darker in here. My cave. Got my blanket on because it's a little chilly in here. Whoa. 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 Do, 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 do. Ooh, there's a skip to live button. Look at that. I don't know if the chat is working or not, but if it is, I cannot see it. I might not have it enabled. I have no idea. We are just chopping here right now. $100 make you holler. Oof. Oof. He's gonna get me. Yeah. Ooh. Should I split it? Should I split it, chat, and double down? Ooh, I don't know if the chat's working on freaking X or Discord. Gosh dang it. Oh, let's go. It is working. Hey, what's up? Oh, what do we do? Should we split? We'll just stay. We'll keep it. We'll keep it at 20. There we go. There we go. But well, I'm playing blackjack right now. Discord. I'm on the X and YouTube as well, streaming the spy chart, but also playing blackjack because we're just going nowhere right now in this market. We've already made some good money for the day. Dude, I can't believe XOM forget done. Let's see if XOM can get the break 165, get the move down to 163. Be fantastic for the swang. 13, piece of shit. I hate getting a 13. Well, he's got a 10. I have no choice but to hit. Oh, 17. Nice. 18. Fuck. Oh, piece of shit. What is this? Look at low numbers coming out. Busted. Busted, baby. Oh. Busted, baby. Gosh dang it. I hate getting 15s. I hate getting 15s. I swear you can't win when you get a fucking 14, 15, or 16. I swear. What's the chance of you ever actually winning that hand? Oh. Did you get a gambling deal? No. Ugh. We got going on here. Well, look, SPX got the breakout. Look at this. A trend line here. I was like, we're getting tight. It's gotta bust through this soon, and it exceeded my expectations. We got the Ripper. The Ripper. I sold 6580s on SPX for the calls, and we came up right here. So like up there. I sold calls all up there. Market closes in like an hour and 40 minutes. So I've already locked in majority of it. I got to stop at entry on the rest. I mean, it's up 70%. It came back down. Now we're chopping sideways, letting the premium burn off those contracts. And I mean, it's going to hopefully be an easy credit spread. Easy, like $400 or $500. Still, maybe Apple gets up to the 255. I don't know. She could. She could. It was a hell of an entry. And I got in a little bit late. I wanted to get in down over here, and I got it in on the break on the 15-minute for the squeeze upside. We're gonna shake everything but the kitchen sink. Bow, 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 bow. Da 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 da. If you're watching this on X or YouTube, type in the chat. Let me know how you did today. Type a 1 in the chat if you're green, 2 in the chat if you're red, 0, no trades are around break even. Let me know what your biggest or best trades that you took today were. I think the largest I saw was 600% from Danny. Largest P&L was Jesse for 7,700. Largest percentage, his was 590%. I think Apple after that, ADL had 377%, but I think Danny took the cake for calls 676% from $80 to 621. That's insane. I'm not wearing a cloak. It's a Casey Trades blanket. Look, it's my Casey Trades blanket. It's not a cloak. I wish it was a cloak. Someone should buy me the invisible cloak from Harry Potter. I'll love it. I'll put it on my Harry Potter shelf right over here. Buy it for me. Make a good Snape. What? Snape? You'd think out of everyone in Harry Potter, I would be Snape. What? What? Dude. One. Nice job, K-Bar. Let's go. Casey's a market wizard. That is true. I think we had that conversation this morning for the first rejection on SPY at the zone. And then they're like, Casey's a freaking wizard when it comes to it. It's like, just train the same things over and over again. Oh, blackjack. Hooray! Yeah. Literally waves his wand. His calls go 50% on the next candle. Here, I have three different wands. Look. They're right here. Look. I have the Elder Wand. Maybe this works. And you go, CJ. Have the Elder Wand right here. Cast a spell for your calls to go up 100%. What wand you talking about? Let's keep it PG. I would not be Hufflepuff. Avada. I would not be Hufflepuff. Fuck that. Can you short the market right now? I don't know. We got to come up with a spell. What's a spell to short the market? Casey short. What are you short right now, CJ? Are you short SPY or ES? What are you sitting in? Some ES shorts? MES? Nice. I think you get it. I think you get a little bit of pullback. We haven't really had a significant pullback. I mean, the first time we went up and we caught the extension, like up there near that 649, 650 area. But now we're just kind of going sideways. I think you can probably get a little bit more of a retracement. Yeah. I mean, we're not long enough here. Look, one buy signal today. Look at this. One buy signal on the freaking chart. One buy signal. One buy signal. That's it. And who would have thunk that would? It was low of day buy signal, and then just freaking market pumpy. I'm not a Hufflepuff. No way. I'm not a Hufflepuff. I took the test and it put me as a Gryffindor. So you can get your short to play out here. You go a little bit lower. Nice. Here, CJ, should we cast a spell so the market goes lower to play out your short on MES? Should we cast a spell right now? All right, ready? All right, see what we can come up with. Oh, let's see. Kill this market like Lord Voldemort and let CJ get paid on his short. Boom. There you go. The spell has been casted, CJ. It should go now. You should see a bunch of red candles now. I'm gonna go put the wand back. Grabbing one shot. Oh, we're going up. I think I said the wrong one. Hold on. That was the wrong spell. That was the wrong one. Ah! Abracadabra. Let me sit at still 6,500. Another blackjack back to back. Daggum. 14. Look, this is some bullshit. You never win. Never win. Look, every time. Oh, we're coming back down. Spell's working. 14 again. I can't win. I can't lose twice in a row, right? No way. Oh, nice. There you go. Oh, push. Toy breaker. Ooh, nice. Tiebreaker. 2 pushes. Ooh. Bust. Ah. $13. This is some bullshit. Well, you gotta hit. You got 7 by 1 every time. You can't win on them. There you go. Busted, baby. Gosh dang, another 13. Oh, let's just hit. Hit. Motherfucker. We're not going anywhere. Market's not moving. We're just letting premium burn. 12, piece of shit. Every time. I think every time that I've gone to Vegas and I get a 12 and I hit, it's always a 10 afterwards. Every time. 13. This is some bullshit. I'm going to hit it again. Ooh, 18. Nice. Whoa. Blackjack. baby. $13. Oh my God. Hey, I won on the last one. Not this one though. $14. I got it hit. Oh, motherfucker. Ooh. A 2. I haven't done a split yet. Let's do a split. Let's play 2 hands. Why not? Nice. 21. Ugh. 16. We're good. See what we get. 13, 16, 12, 22 bust. Win both hands. $200. Make ya hollers. Blackjack. Man, look at that. You win a split hand, then you win blackjack right after. Look, we're coming down. The spell's working. The spell's working. It's working. Bring it down for CJ. Here, do I need to put the emojis on the chart? What do you want, toilet? Want the toilet bowl? Put the toilet bowl emoji on the chart. Maybe this will help CJ. There you go. See if the price action can get in there for you, CJ. You don't hit a deal as a face card to a 6. Hell yeah, you do every time. That's what makes gambling fun. Oh, if we go to 645, I mean, I would say if you break your 21, that's probably where you would go at least, right? I mean, you're just riding a 10-minute 9 right now. 30-minute looks like a logo for some kind of software company. 15-minute looks like a heart. Where's your 10-minute? Doesn't the 10 and 15-minute kind of look like a harp? Is there a harp emoji? I highly doubt it. I don't think I've actually ever used or seen a harp emoji. There's no way. It'd be right here. Now you got violin, banjo, electric guitar, trumpet, saxophone, drums, piano. Nah. No harp. Stomp your feet. If you're watching this on X, make sure you do like and repost the stream. Would greatly appreciate it. You got coin trying to get a little bit of a sell signal near a double top 175 area. Oh, Discord, remember this morning when coin was ripping? I was like, as it gets close to that 170, watch for the sell. It did. It got to 169.50. I'm glad I took XOM instead of Oxy. Looking at the Oxy chart, it would have stopped me out. Looking at XOM, nope. No, harp. Harp. A harp emoji. Harp. Need a harp emoji. Is that new chair in the background? Casey, that's my old chair. That is the original chair that I had, and now this is the new one that I'm in. I'll be honest with you, and since using the new chair, it's helped with my back pain. It's not as comfortable as the other one because that one obviously is um, leather. This is the mesh chair, so it's supposed to be better for my back and posture. That one I have the little insert right there. Um, that helped a little bit, but still would hurt my back after a while. This one I've seen a pretty good difference with back pain. CJ, I don't know. I don't know. They might want to take this thing back to 650. I mean, I think we're going higher today. I don't know how much higher. I think we can see, I said it earlier, I think we can see about another 125, 150 on SPX higher. Essentially, it's going to take us up to here. Whoopsies. Where's emojis? I think we can go here. Honestly, on SPX. So there's another small gap to fill up to about 6,600, but I think we can go back up above 6,600 just by a little bit. I think we can get it back into this area. Just about another 120 points higher. So like 66, 20s and 30s. I think getting up into that area would be a great target upside. I think it'd be a great short as well once we get up there risking 66.50 on SPX. Damn, old chair looks fresh. I just bought it. I bought it when I set up the office. So I got it in August, September. So only, a few months old. Mm-hmm. What we got? An hour and 20 minutes left. Still sitting up around 70% right now on SPX, even on this pop up. That's the beauty of selling credit spreads. You're chopping sideways, not doing much. People are trying to anticipate. We're going to break down. We're going to rip up and make a new high. I don't freaking care. I sold calls all the way up to that yellow line at 70%. This thing can continue to creep up. It can creep down. It can go sideways. Doesn't matter what it does. These things are just holding their value, or they're going to increase in value as time just goes on until 4 p.m. And Unity's having a day. I think Bishop's probably up like a bajillion percent. Bishop swung Unity calls. I don't know. It's at the double top, but what, 1025? When was his last update on it? Probably around that time. 1005. Stock was up 6.5% last time he updated his call swing position on it. Stock's up 8.75% now. So go Bishop. Bishop is one of our analysts in the Discord. He swung the Unity calls. Whoa! Seems no reversal radar fires today. I would have to go through the list. Let me see. I go to. Let me see. Let's go to the watch list. Go to the daily. AVGO kind of getting a little reversal to the upside. Hood is actually going to probably print one. You have to wait for the candlestick to close, so it's at 4 o'clock. I can probably do it to where it does it intraday, though. Let me see. Let me see. Let me go. Hood's printing a reversal on your daily. So I can't remember if it waits until it closes or not. I think I put it onto when it closes. Let me see. I can edit it real quick. Let me see if I do buy signal. Triggers once per bar per symbol when condition is met. Supposed to be for the close, but condition is met at bar close. Do that. Let's do this. Let's do save. Let me do another one. Let's do trading list. Let's do the reversal, sell, 1 day, and once. And then webhook is in there. One day, once only. Sell signal create. Oh, I didn't do the name on it. Hold on. Copy. Save. Here. Paste. And apply. So sell 1 day, once only, webhooks in there. So now let's see. Sell 1 day, once only. Buy 1 day, once only. So we'll see. It's set up right now. But Hood's printing one currently. Oh, it tried to do it earlier. It said, oh, it tried to do it multiple times today. It says there's a webhook delivery failed. Oh, so it did try. It tried to do it on a few today. Let me see. Let me ask Chat GPT. See what AI says. The TradingView send the alert, Discord's receiving it, but Discord is rejecting your message format. So it says put this one in specifically. So let me try this. All right, so now let's see. Go here. Go here. Copy. So now let's go to alerts, go to edit, go to message, paste, apply. It says you're probably typing JSO in this case, make sure it is correct expected. Let's try this again. At the top one, that's the sell signal. Where's the buy? This one. A message. All right, let's see if that works. See if that fixes it. Oh, it did. Look at the Missy Elliott. Oh, the Missy Elliott's going off. Oh, it's going off. Look at Missy Elliott bot. She's going off right now. Oh. Saying eBay, UNH, RDDT. JPM. LLY, yeah. Time frame. Daily. Oh. Oh, she's going. Yep. I can make them for any time frame though. I can make them for any time frame. Doesn't matter. The two current ones I have right now are buy and sell. Yeah, because if I did daily on that watch list, it would be insane. So I'm thinking maybe I can make one for SPY Q's IWM, the Mag 7, and maybe do like 5-minute to 30-minute. Yeah, I need to. Let's see. Alert name, strategy order, message interval. Let's see. Let me see which one this one's for. That one's for sell. So let me go here and type in sell and hit save. And then let me go to this one and then go to message and do buy. Apply and save. There you go. Look, now it does. Look at the Missy Elliott bot. Look at her go. She's going. Missy Elliott's on a tear. She's saying buy, 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 buy. Probably gonna spit a whole bunch of them. Look, XOM, she said sell. Oh, Missy Elliott, what are you doing? All right, let me delete all the other ones. So it's supposed to wait until the daily bar closes to confirm it because it could send the alert and then market could retrace whatever it is, right? And then it's not going to be there. So I don't have it set to that right now. I have it just set onto the daily bar itself. So if there's a buy or sell currently on the daily bar, it's going to send the alert. And It'll do that once it goes active. If market retraces and it goes away and there's no buy signal anymore on it, it's not going to send another one like, hey, just letting you know the buy signal is no longer there. And it's not going to be a sell, right? Because that would be a completely different setup. So look at that. Look at the reversal radar. Oh, Missy Elliott. Missy Elliott. She puts the thing down, flip it, then reverse it. All right. Market's still going nowhere. We're just chilling. Look, the only sell from Missy Elliott was XOM. And we're in them, baby. Of course, you get blackjack twice in a row. Of course you do. Of course you would. Oh, both blackjack. Oh. My thing down, flip it, then reverse it. Carlos! 4.78K on the day. Let's go! My thing down, flip it, then reverse it. I know, right? Oh, I haven't got the split too many. We'll do another split. Let's see what we get here. Oh, ooh, 21, 13, 20. Nice. We'll lose one and win the other. Yay. We're creeping up higher here. IWM did put in a buy signal a little bit ago. Look at Apple. I think Apple wants it. I think Apple wants it. Put in a little sell at the high, bounce up, down, chop, flush, hit trend line, buy, and now creeping up higher. I think Apple wants it. I'm gonna bang down, flip it down, reverse it. No, I do not. God, look at all these games in the freaking chat. $3,660. A tribute, almost $6,000. Theta, big gains. Oh, Theta, biggest one today. 1,251%. The largest P&L for the day as well. Theta wins P&L and percentage gain. Look at that. Bro. Oh, let's go. Got himself a 10 bagger. Caught the 10 bagger. That's what we love to see, Theta. NVIDIA, new high of day. What the hell did I just type in? I can tell you right now, that wasn't NVIDIA. NVIDIA, new high of day. Right at the top of the zone, hit 174. Nice sell signal earlier right up here. Put my thing down, flip it, then reverse it. You're welcome. Great job. Danny said, I'm still holding this. I won't let Theta beat me. He's still got a QQQ call for 672. You got to get like 1,300%. I think he's got a double. Can you get 1,300%? Let's see. No. It should say buy. From the reversal radar, it should say buy. So if you go over to XYZ right here, and here, I'll reply to you over here. Let me send the chart with the indicator on real quick. It's at the bottom because it's XYZ. There you go. So there's your XYZ daily, and there's your buy signal that came in on it. So that's why. My thing down, flip it, then reverse it. Oh. People really buying up here. I don't think people are buying up here, but I think we can still float a little bit higher over time, just a little bit higher on SPX, closer from spot. I don't think it happens today, obviously, in the next hour, but it's the last day of the month as well. I'd imagine MOC is probably going to be big compared to the last few days. So I'd expect some large numbers in about 43 minutes. Are you still short? Ooh. Let's increase our bet size. Let's do 250 a hand. Yay! Ooh. Maybe the spell was delayed. Maybe. Market on close. Yeah, Financial Juice will post it and it'll go through the bot in the Discord. Blackjack. Gosh dang it, man. Every time. I know he's going to have a freaking tenor face card under. Oh! Nice. Let me split it. We don't really. It's only a third one. Oh, nice. Oh! Fuck it. Damn it. That's what you get. So we get over here. Yay. Every time. Every time I get a 13. Unlucky 13. Every time. I hit 13 every time, no matter what. And the look, then I get blackjack instead of Z. Some bullshit. course I'm going to hit a 12. Cat new high of day. Nice. I'm going to hit a 12. Every time. Doesn't fail. Every time. Doesn't fail. Yeah. Hooray! 13. Let's take a guess. Every time, never fails. Technically, it always fails. Busted, baby. Me? None. Walmart? What's Walmart doing? Ranging. Yeah, it's still rejecting that daily trend line. Apple's going for highs. It's almost there. Oh, living on a prayer. Can they get in the money? Can they get in the money? 45 minutes left. How's Theta working against the freaking contracts on them? Ooh, 80% FPX. Woo! Look, we've gone nowhere for an hour, and now I'm up 80%. It's amazing. They're actually holding up. They're not bad. They're still at 260 from $1.02 entry. So you're still up like 155, 160% up here as it's in the mid 260s still. So they're holding up. Oh, we're halfway there. Actually, we're almost all the way there. Oh, Danny, do I split these queens? Do I split the queens? I kind of want to. I kind of want to split. I want to split a little bit. All right. Danny says, yep. Danny says we're going for the split. Oh, shit. I lost my blackjack tab. Hold on. I got to find it again. There we go. Let's split it, Danny. Oh, do I split it again? Oh, shit. We got a king, Danny. Oh, we're going to play 3 hands? We better play 3 hands? Ooh, Apple new highs. Don't split it. You don't want me to do 3 hands, Danny? No? Come on, we haven't done it yet. Come on, we haven't done it yet. Okay, there we go. I'll take 18. I'll take it. All right, let's do the next one. 15. We're going to stay on a 15 too. And we got another one, Danny. We got it, Jack. Do I play 4 hands? Do I split it? Ah! I feel pretty good about the first hand. I don't feel so good about the second one. So I feel pretty good about the third one. So I think I can win 2 out of 3 no matter what. The question is, do I want to try and play 4 hands? Oof. Oh, I don't know. I feel like I'd be pushing my luck if I split this one. I feel like I'd be pushing it. I think the safe one. You sound like me in my risk management sometimes. Fuck it. Let's play 4 hands. Oh, we got a queen. It won't let me do more than 4. I can't do more than 4 hands. Oh, all right. Well, we got 20. Hey, I'd split it again if it would let me. All right, let's stay at the 20. Oh, we got 4 on this one. We'll stay. All right, here we go. 23. Busted. All 4 hands win, Danny. That's $1,000. That's a grand. Look at that. 250. Boom. 250. Boom. Another 250. Boom. And another 250. Let's go, Danny. Oh, let's go. I feel like I should size down now. I feel like I should size down right now. Stop doing 250 a hand because I was just in the hole by like 1,200. Now we're back green. SPY doing. Coming on equal high test here on SPY. What is MOC today? We don't know. We will not know what MOC is until 3:50 p.m. Eastern. So we have exactly 30 minutes and 44 seconds. So once 3:50 p.m. Eastern hits, I know, right? Ooh, Micron's ripping. Look at Micron. A little 15-minute buy signal. Oh, trying. It's in a 30-minute squeeze. Hourly squeeze too. Ooh, I'm not chasing it. That's a good one though. Nice little 15-minute morning star off previous day low. Look at that. That's a good one. That was a good setup. Yeah, it needs a little bit of relief today, doesn't it? I mean, this thing's like been annihilated. Look at the daily. I mean, not a bad spot to look for a bounce here on the daily. Can retrace back up to 350. It's already halfway there, like Bon Jovi. I mean, it's not bad. Crazy part is, I went short here for a swing. I got stopped out here on the swing, and I never re entered. And then the stock went all the way down there. I'd call it a fumble, but it wasn't so much a fumble. A fumble would have been if I would have closed it intraday for like small gains and I didn't swing it, or if I did swing it and I close it the next day for like 30, 40%, and then it goes 3,000. Oh, we're halfway there. Whoa, 30 minutes firing upside right now. One hour firing upside as well. It just flipped. So this is the move you're getting. Apple still can't get over that equal high. All right. Let's tone down our bets a little bit. Ooh, 11. I haven't doubled down yet. Let's double down on the 11. 17, 16, 20. Damn. Worth a shot. We haven't doubled down on anything yet. Ooh. Let's split it. We love splitting. 17. Nice. 13. Ah, oh, Danny, 13 against his 2. What do you think? What's the chances of him pulling 2 face cards and busting? Oh, I don't know. I don't think he's going to pull face cards and bust. I think I got to hit it. I think I got to hit this 13. I don't have good. Every time I have a 13, Danny, and I hit it, though, I get a 10. Every time. Oh, we got a 7. Let's go. There we go. All right. 12, 18. All right. So I'm going to lose on the first one, and then we're going to collect on the second one. SPY just hit daily level here, by the way. 649.88. This is going to be a daily level from Tuesday, March 24th low. The reason why this level's here. So right over here. Right there. So it automatically plots that level, and we are hitting that right there right now. Is Dell going? Dell was a swing play off 150 at 156. Wow. Look at that. Look at Dell. Oh, look at Dell. Off the daily trend line. Look at that. Ah, Dell. Ooh. Right freaking off of it. That daily trend line runs straight through intraday. Up $6. What are we swinging? Nothing for me. Did you claim access on WAP? I bought back my 157 cover call for 50%. Now waiting to sell another one. Nice. Gosh. Oh, look. So Dell, for the ones on YouTube and X right here. All right. So let's just take all of this off. All right. So go to Dell, go to your daily here. Look at that wick too so far. So I'll send the before and after later. So point 1, 2, and 3 right there, right? Daily trend line. Beautiful, right? Intraday, look at that. Dude, like, look how perfect that is. Look how perfect that is. Ugh. That was a nice one. Nike earnings, short. It's probably going to IB crush, to be honest with you. I mean, Nike's a shit stock. Nike is a shit stock right here. Finally broke down here. Nice little shooting star. Broke the trend line. And then sold down. Like, if it don't bounce here, it'll bounce at 0, I guess. I mean, this doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I mean, underneath $50, if you really like the stock and want to own it long term for whatever reason, or I don't know if I don't own Nike, so I don't sell options on it. I don't run like the wheel strategy and sell covered calls on it. So, cash secured puts wanting to own it. But I mean, looking at it on, a weekly, going all the way back out here, I mean, you got some support down underneath 50, down like 48, $45. But I mean, this is not a stock that I would like to own. But if you'd like, I mean, it's not a terrible spot for it, right? Ooh, we gotta hold on, ready or not. I can't believe Dell. God, that was a freaking perfect setup too. Oh, what a beautiful move. Coming back up right there. I mean, previous day low as well. Feel like I can't buy Nike after wearing New Balance. JT, are you a dad? I feel like only dads wear New Balance. I feel like if you see a guy wearing New Balance, you just have to assume he has kids. And if that dude's wearing Skechers, dude. Ah, look, Zach just said it. I just looked at the tag. He said, and Skechers. Yep. And if that dude's wearing Skechers, yeah. That's Pops. That's Pops right there. You know they're going to be white. You know he wants to have clean looking shoes. They're going to be white. Black or navy blue logo on the side. I mean, he said, LOL, I am a dad, but I still consider myself trendy. Me too. Me too. Live for the fighting inside you. I still don't know if I want to run the mastermind or not on Saturday. It's a holiday weekend. I don't think I'm going to. I don't think. Yeah, I think so, Michelle. I don't think this is the weekend to do it. Um, and I had to miss doing the last one because I was gone. This was supposed to be like the reschedule of it. I haven't even scheduled it yet because I haven't sent the announcement yet. I've still been debating. Please do it next weekend. Yeah. We'll probably do next Saturday. April 11th. We can do that. We'll do April 11th. If you're watching it here a lot, I'm talking to the Discord right now as well, but on X and YouTube. I'll post the registration link on Friday, probably this Friday. That way it gives people a week, kind of week in advance. Attendance would be low for somebody traveling. Yeah, 100%. I agree. That's the reason why. Yeah. We'll do next Saturday. We will do next Saturday. So I'll send out the registration link for it Friday with the announcement. We'll go from there. Living on a prayer. Well, we're coming into the last little bit. I might go hang out on the Wolf Financial Spaces for the last few minutes. Go say hi to the guys and then bye to the guys to end the day. Reversal radar going off again. What we got? Oof. All right. All right. I see you, Missy Elliott. All right. I think the other signal went away. I got to update it. Is it there or is it not there? That's not there. When did that one come out? 3:15? Is it pulling back ever since 3:15? Times it 3:34. Pull back a little bit. What is it, like close? Same for the other one too. Yeah, it's flashing on and off. It just kicked back on. I just saw it. It's trying. I see it. Yep. Thank you, sir. Yeah. There's one on Starbucks right now. Starbucks, ugh, no way. I mean, if you look where it just tapped in on the weekly off 85, 86, I mean, not bad. Daily can come back up and retest 90, 91. It's already not far off from that. I mean, stock's up 3.25% right now for the day. I don't mind the XYZ, just lower high resistance, but it's trying to get that move above it. All right, guys. Hi, how do you see the MU here? I mean, intraday it was just popping up. So got your 15-minute. It's looking good. This is not a chase long, but previous day low was right down here. And it highlights the level right down here, which was 318.40. And then you got a nice Morningstar reversal right off this, pop up, higher high, pull back, higher low. Now we're making that higher high right up here now. It wasn't a 15-minute squeeze that whole time, which was bullish, and it did fire, so it's done. Your 30-minute was in a squeeze. It did fire as well, so that's done. And then your hourly was in a squeeze, and it fired, and it's done. So the squeeze has been fired. There can be continuation after the squeeze. I mean, your 4-hour, again, really big support down here. Go to your daily on MU. I mean, if you're looking for a retracement back up to 350, then this is it. But like I said before, you're already halfway there like Bon Jovi. So if you're long, great. If not, your risk to reward right now for a swing is like 1-to-1, and it's not that great. For me, at least. I don't like 1-to-1s. And if I do 1-to-1s, then just size smaller. But I mean, it looks like it wants to go. It looks like it wants to go. Blackjack. We'll probably end the hand on that one right there over 5,500. Yay. Little comeback. Calls coming in, yeah. Yeah, I don't doubt it. Let me go through a few things here. Yeah, some calls on MU. $400 calls for 6/18/2026. Urgent repeater, over $1 million on that one. 2.84 million in value within the last few minutes. 350 calls, a little bit closer. Strike and expiration, April 2nd. Repeated order on that one. Someone bought a few contracts. Let me see. Oh, that one is... That one's at the bid. Those are calls at the bid. The 400 calls are at the ask. TSM, some calls are coming in. NVIDIA just came in 5 minutes ago, 150 calls for October. They're expensive too. They're $3,700 a piece. TSMs are expensive too. TSM's got a huge daily stick right now. They bought in the money 310s for April 2nd, $2,700 a piece. I mean, TSM is just on a tear. Wingstop? Oh no, they kill Wingstop? The S-Bucks signals back on the daily. Whoopsies. Take my hand, we'll make it elsewhere. Oh no, I think that might be it for me. I think we're done. SPY new high of day. SPX. Look, SPY new high. And let me go check my SPXs. SPY new high, SPX up 85%. Look at that. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Look, even Apple on this huge move up today, and I printed on the calls. The freaking calls for tomorrow that I sold the call credit spread still up 100%. They didn't budge. Didn't even budge, dude. Not even close. SPX, where does it sit now? How far am I out of money? I mean, we're 50 bucks out of the money. There's 18 minutes left. I mean, I'm going to send the alert right here on these. You can close them if you think MOC is going to be freaking nutter butters. And for whatever reason, market gets a huge rip. You want to cover your ass. I mean, you're not really losing on the trick. It stops at entry on this one, but just losing the profits. All right, let me send that alert on SPX. Yeah, 7 minutes. If you want to close them, you can. Look, they just jumped to 90%. Now they just went from 10 to 5. Here, I'll put an order in at 5. Fuck it. Actually, no, fuck that. Look at the fees they're going to charge me to close that. No way. I ain't paying that fee to Weeble. Never mind. I ain't closing it. No way, Jose. I ain't paying fees. I ain't paying that amount of fees on those contracts left. You're insane. So you don't even have to close the short part of the call credit spread to lock in these profits. No, you can let the entire thing expire. You can let the entire thing expire. So right now, the short, which is going to be your 6580s, those for me, they're showing at 15. And it's like 15. Now they're at 0.125, right? Because now premiums are getting weird because they're just dying, right? So now that, yeah. So the short leg for the sell, all right, 6580s, those are at 0.125. We're just going to say 12 cents. All right, so they're worth 12 bucks per contract. The 6600s that I bought for it are at 0.07, 7 bucks. So the difference between the two is 5 cents. And that's what it should say, 0.5, 0.05, right? So, but both of these, right, they're both going to expire at 0.0 something, right, at the end of the day, because they're going to be worthless, completely worthless. And you don't have to close the contracts. You don't have to pay the fees per contract to close it. And then tomorrow morning, the full profit of that trade will settle. It'll cash settle into your account, and the trade will be gone. It won't even be in your broker anymore. It'll disappear. They're going to automatically close it. So right now it says they're worth 5 cents. It's going to go down to 0.00 at some point in time. So depending on how many contracts you have, like right now I have 4 contracts left, which means I could sell it right now and close it out. and give up an easy $20 extra profit and then also pay all the fees and commissions to close out each of those contracts, um, or just let it expire and then I'm not giving back $20 worth of profits. I've lost credit spreads before all the time. Yeah. Yeah. I think I haven't lost one in. When is the last time I lost a credit spread? In the credit spread challenge? When's the last time I closed one for a loss? I've lost one so far in 2026. I'm looking at my stats right here. I've lost one. Hold on. One. One. I've lost one so far this year. Apple going in the money. Oh, shit. Here we go again. Oh, go, baby, go. Oh, go. Yes, and the channel credit spreads info should be one, right? There should be one in there. Go Apple. Go Apple. MOC coming out in 40 seconds. SPY is popping. Watch, dude. MOC numbers are probably going to be big. Market on close. Here we go. All right. What's MOC? What's the numbers? They got to be decent, right? What's the numbers? It's got an alert that Ticker Frog is up 10%. SPY's up 3% today. Q's up 3.5. All right, MOC inbounds. Boom! I told you it's gonna be fucking humongous. 3.9. 3.9 billion on the S&P. Buy side. Both. Buy side. 3.9 billion S&P, 1.4 NASDAQ. Buy side. Guess who's back? Back again. Spy is back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Ah, da 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 da. Let me go check. Ooh, some Apple puts just came in for tomorrow expiration. 252.5 puts. You can't let it go into money. Oh, it did go into money. Oh, Apple in the money. In the money. Nike earnings? Nah, no lotto for me. Holy shit, those premiums on Apple. 200%. That's insane. Today's recap is going to be freaking awesome. The profits, dude. The profits channel is going to be stupid when I go post it on X later. And it's going to be Danny. He said finally closed QQQ call from $80 to 700. $80 turned into $706. Dude, great job, Danny. That's insane. 782%. Nice freaking job, Danny. That's awesome. That's so cool. That's so freaking cool to see. I love seeing trades like that. Hell yeah. All right. I'm going to finish up my recap here. I'm going to go post the profits out there, and then make sure you guys post your profits in the profits channel. I know a lot of you guys already did. This was, dude, I can't take enough screenshots. What am I supposed to do? Dude, this is insane. It's freaking insane. Look at all the profits in the profits channel. I'm not going to be able to post enough screenshots. Ooh, SPX. Look at that. Iron Condor. Taking advantage of it. Thanks, Casey. Nice job. $600 on both sides. $1,200 profit. Amazing. Nice job, Dark Spirit. Hell yeah. Great job, guys. What a freaking day. What a Tuesday. What a great Tuesday. Da 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 da. I've created a monster. Oh yeah, these are expiring full profit, 100%. I ain't paying no fees and commissions. Nope, no sirree, Bob. I want 100% full profit. Same with Apple. 100% full profit. I'm not paying fees and commissions. Nope. Not today. All right. Ooh, nice little overextended little arrow right there for a little sell. Apple 250. Look, Apple hit that level right in the middle of the magnet, like perfectly. Look, I think that might have been like to the penny or at least close. That level is 255.49, 255.48. Missed it by a penny. That is the. I mean, this level has been going back for a minute, but I mean, this has been a level since February. Yeah. Look, those puts for tomorrow up there off that, this retracement, they probably already went like fucking 30, 40% like that. Look at that. They absolutely did. All right, guys. That's it for me. Love and appreciate you all. Let me send this out in the Discord real quick. Oh, more profits coming in. Jesus. SPX, $4,000. Oh, let's go. Plus Apple, a little extra bonus, $300. Let's freaking go, guys. Stop posting so many profits in the channel. I can't take that many screenshots. What an amazing Tuesday. Amazing Tuesday. Post gains in the absolutely amazing Tuesday. All right. I'm going to do the recap, go finalize a few things, finish up here at the desk, call it a day. Everyone over on the YouTube and X side, love and appreciate you kind of just hanging out. Market, I mean, not really doing much, just a slow little grind up here into the close. Nothing crazy. All the price action, the big move happened earlier. I mean, everyone already made their money earlier. So just kind of been chilling. I'll see everyone tomorrow for a Wacky Wednesday. I'll be live streaming over in the Discord and trading and everything like normal. I'll be a guest speaker over on the Wolf Financial spaces tomorrow like normal as well. And let's just continue to get paid every single day in this freaking market. Absolutely incredible day. So let's have a fun, wacky Wednesday. And then remember, market is closed on Friday. So we have tomorrow and Thursday. That's it. 2 more trading sessions and we're done for the week. So love and appreciate you all. Have a great rest of your day.